In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to BlueStacks gallery. This process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to easily import images from your Windows PC into BlueStacks. We'll explore two methods, starting with the recommended approach using the Media Manager. Let's dive in. First, open BlueStacks 5 on your computer. You will see the familiar interface that brings the Android experience to your PC. Opening BlueStacks is crucial because it acts as the gateway for all your Android applications and files. Once it's open, you are ready to navigate to the next step. Next, locate the System Apps section within BlueStacks. In this area, you will find the Media Manager. Click on that option. The Media Manager is an essential tool because it allows you to manage your media files seamlessly. It's where all your photos, videos, and music will be organized once imported. Now, click on the option that says Import from Windows. This is where the magic begins. By selecting this option, you are telling BlueStacks to look for files on your Windows PC. A file browser will appear shortly, making it easy to find the images you wish to import. Browse to the folder containing the photos you want to import. You might have your pictures stored in various locations, like your pictures library or a specific project folder. Finding the right folder is important because it ensures that you are importing the correct images. It saves you time and helps keep your gallery organized. Once you've located the folder, select one or more images that you want to import. You can choose multiple images at once. This flexibility makes the process efficient, allowing you to import several photos in a single action. After selecting the photos, click Open to proceed with the import. Now wait for the import to finish. This might take a moment depending on the size and number of images you are importing. BlueStacks will process your files and prepare them for use. It's essential to be patient during this step to ensure everything transfers correctly. Once the import is complete, click the Gallery tab in Media Manager to view your imported photos. This is where you can see all the images you just brought over from your Windows PC. They can now be accessed by any apps that use the Android gallery. Having your photos readily available enhances your overall experience while using BlueStacks. Now, let's move on to the second method, drag and drop photos. First, open BlueStacks 5 again if it's not already open. This method is quick and user-friendly, allowing you to bypass the Media Manager if you prefer a more direct approach. Next, open File Explorer on your Windows PC. This is where you will navigate to the folder containing the photos you want to import. Just like before, having quick access to your files is vital for efficiency in this process. Select the photos you want to import by clicking on them. You can select multiple images here too. This gives you the same flexibility as the previous method. After making your selection, simply drag and drop them onto the BlueStacks window. BlueStacks will automatically import the files into Media Manager. You will not need to do anything additional. This seamless integration makes it easy to bring your images into the BlueStacks environment without any hassle. Finally, open System Apps, then go to Media Manager and select Gallery to view the imported photos. You can also browse them under Explore within Media Manager if needed. This ensures that all your images are accessible and organized for your use. Now you are ready to enjoy your photos in BlueStacks.